today I'm going to be drawing you some beautiful gazelle roses. Yes! Now, probably don't know this, but they actually grow black roses here in Turkey. I'm not too sure if they grow them anywhere else in the world, but they grow them here. So I'm going to be using my wide tip pen so you can see the detail. If I can get the lid off. One moment. Here we go. Done. So all you need to do is a technique. You draw a teardrop, but on its side. So I hope you can see this. So I'm going to draw the teardrop like that. Right? And then I'm going to do another teardrop on the other side. And then continue doing that in the center. Until you've got the core of the rose. And I'm going to draw two lines here just to join them. And now what I'm going to do now is the petals. It doesn't matter if they're not perfect because every rose is different. Right. My pen's about to run out. Right. So there's the rose. Now I'm going to draw a stem. Actually, I can draw it a little bit here as well. Like that. Now I'm going to draw the stem. Like that. Right. And I'm going to draw a bud, a rose bud. Same principle. Teardrop, and another one on the other side. I'm going to draw some little leaves on the bottom, and then draw a stem. Like that. If you want to, you can actually add some leaves in there as well. So I'm going to add a leaf in here. So some roses have big leaves and some have small. So I'm going to put some small leaves on this. So first you need to draw a stem, like that. And I'll draw the one at the end first. Pretty much that sort of shape. And then I'm going to draw another one next to it. And another one on the other side. And I'll do the same down here as well. Try and draw it in a way so you can see it. Right. I'm going to draw another rose here and maybe another bud up here as well. So again, teardrop. Join those up like that, and then petals. Join it up like that. And maybe I'll come down. Bring the rose down there like that. It's on a different stem. And I'll do another rose bud up here. Another one. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to draw it so you can see. So, I'll draw some leaves. I'll join it like that. Here. Another one here. I'm trying to fill the picture out. So there you go. Beautiful roses. Yeah. Maybe I should draw another one here. I'll draw another rose in here if I can. I'll do a small one. Again, teardrop. And then another teardrop. And then another teardrop. Another teardrop. Another one. Join them up. And then draw the petals. And do a stem, and do a couple of leaves. I'll have to get myself a new pen. It's about to die. And there you go. Some beautiful, beautiful roses. And thank you for watching. And I'll catch you guys again next week. And have a wonderful new week. Thank you. See you.